Hello everyone, again this is Neo from TopFX for the cTrader platform. In this video I'm going to show you how you can either have multiple charts on one view or you can have multiple charts on separate views. I will show you how. Pay attention and make sure you've watched the follow-up videos. So as soon as we log into our trading account, we move over to the top of the chart. There is a tab that says single chart mode. Click on it. As you've noticed, there is a plus sign right next to the existing chart. By clicking on it, we can add another chart on a different tab, just like the same as you have your Google browser or internet browser. Now let me type the chart that I want to add, for example, Euro USD. Here we go. And as you've noticed now, I can click in between two windows and I can add as many as I want. Let me add another one. In this case, let's say I want to do gold. Gold. Here we go. So on and so forth. Now this is one of the ways, like I said previously, that you can have quite a few views on different tabs. So you can switch back and forth. This way you have a bigger picture and a bigger view. Make sure you watch the follow-up video where you can have multiple charts on one view. See you soon on the next video.